Good morning, dear students. Now today we are going to discuss S block elements, right? The study of S block elements. What is the position of S block in the modern periodic table? Left hand side, right? How many groups are placed in S block? Only two groups, group 1 and group 2, right? Hydrogen shows dual character. First metallic element in first group is lithium, right? Elements of first group are also known as alkali metals, right? Because when first group elements react with water, they form alkaline solution. Sodium plus water, then formation of NaOH. For example, reaction of sodium with water, then formation of NaOH plus H2 in balanced state. This is alkaline solution. Metal is alkali. All are alkali metals, right? Occurrence of these elements in combined form, in different forms, oxide form, lithium oxide, sodium oxide, potassium oxide, halides also. Okay, children. Now next property, very important property, diagonal relationship. Lithium shows a diagonal relationship with magnesium. In which manner? In diagonal manner. Magnesium is placed in second group and lithium in first group. This is a similarity between lithium and magnesium in diagonal manner, which is called diagonal relationship. In terms of atomic radii, in terms of electronegativity, in terms of IE, electropositive character, nature of compounds, this similarity is called diagonal relationship. Okay, children? Beryllium is first element in second group. Beryllium shows diagonal relationship with aluminium. Right? Aluminium is placed in P block, but due to similarity between two, second pair is beryllium and aluminium. Now children, electron configuration of first group elements or alkali metals: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Francium is radioactive, right? Atomic number of lithium is 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87. This is condensed form of electron configuration. Condensed means reduced form. Atomic number of helium is 2. Actual electron configuration of lithium is 1s2, then 2s5. This is valence shell configuration. Same number of electron, valence electron, but different principal quantum number. Right? Here what is written? Symbol of noble element whose atomic number is 2. What is written? Helium. For next element write down neon, then argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Right? For lithium 2s1. Here period number is different. Sodium is placed in third period 281. In terms of shell, this is electron configuration of sodium. How many orbits are present? 3. Its period number is 3. Right? Here what is principal quantum number? 3. 3s1. Potassium period number 4. Argon 4s1. Rubidium, krypton 5s1. Cesium, xenon 6s1. And bottommost element is francium, which is radioactive, radon 7s1. Okay, children? Group number is 1. Number of valence electron is same. 1. Okay? Next, which element is radioactive in first group? Francium is radioactive. Understand? Its half-life period, T half, is only 21 minutes. Right? It's highly unstable element. Now children, study of atomic properties, physical properties, atomic properties which are based on science. First is ionization enthalpy. Right? Ionization enthalpy depends upon atomic size. From top to bottom, from lithium to francium, atomic size increases. Like this. Increase in atomic size, decreases its ionization enthalpy. Total amount of heat energy which is required to remove electron from valence shell of an atom is called its ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. Right? Here distance increases or atomic radius increases, its ionization enthalpy decreases. Okay, from top to bottom, decrease in ionization enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy, increasing atomic size, decreases its hydration enthalpy. Trend is decrease. AEC is written for decrease. Boiling point decreases. This force of attraction, only one valence electron is present here. Force of attraction decreases, boiling point decreases, melting point decreases. Positivity, electropositive character increases. Francium is radioactive, highly electropositive is cesium. Most reactive in first group or in alkali metals is cesium. Okay, children? Next property is colored flame. Colored salts, metals are very soft, grey in color, right? But salts are white in color. For example, LAC, you are well familiar with this. Direct heating of salts imparts color. Sodium chloride imparts yellow color flame. Yellow color flame. Right? Due to jumping of electron from lower energy level to higher energy level. When electron jumps from lower to higher energy state is highly stable, then electron returns to same energy level by losing same amount of energy. Right? Forward is absorption of energy and backward is emission of energy. And E is equal to H nu. And mu is equal to C by lambda. This lambda is associated with color. In which part of the spectrum? In visible part of electromagnetic spectrum. Okay? Sodium salt on heating imparts yellow color to the flame or gives yellow color flame. Heating of sodium, but sodium is highly reactive. Second is potassium chloride, white in color. Heating, direct heating of KCl gives violet color. Color is passive. Color depends upon electronic environment. This is additional property of salts of first group elements. Okay, children. What is the common trend of atomic radii? Atomic radii from top to bottom increases due to increase in number of shells.